Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends not launching. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then type background apps. First make sure to turn off this option and then go back, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now you will need to make sure that you have the latest updates for your Windows, and if you find an update, just install it. Then go to GeForce Experience, and if you can't find it in your computer, just download it from any browser and then go to drivers. Install the latest update for your graphics card and then just close it. After that, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, open Task Manager and then go to click on memory to see application that takes your memory. Now just close all the applications that you don't need when playing, applications that takes your memory, and you must know what they do. And that's it, just keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you don't need. And after that, try again and just try to launch it as an administrator. And that's it, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.